This little etude teaches finger independence as well as interval connections, of course, intonation, and many other things. Double stops is a very cool technique to learn violin, very challenging at times, and I think with right approach you can learn it very well. So don't be intimidated by this, just start trying, and I think the sooner you begin and the more time you spend with it, the sooner you're going to start seeing the results. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next video, and please subscribe to my Patreon page or my YouTube membership site. Thank you very much for your support.